and still heading towards Singapore.
Scramble to 5%.
Do you know where our aircrew are heading to?
Of course, because the pilots are running to carry out the startup checks to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Same time, the ground crew ensure that the aircraft is ready to go. The air and ground crew work closely as a team to make sure that the F-15s are warmed up and ready to go.
For each aircraft, there is a dedicated crew chief as well as an assistant to handle the pre-flight checks. Both of them are responsible to uphold the functionality of the aircraft. With their dedication and attention to detail, they ensure that the aircraft is operationally ready each time. Let's share with the audience some specifications of our F-15SG.
The F-15SG is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, a sophisticated integrated sensor and network capability, which provides the aircraft with exceptional situational awareness, enhances air-to-air and self-defense capabilities. It is also a twin seater, with the pilot flying the aircraft in the front seat, accompanied by the weapon systems officer, controls the targeting sensors on board at the back. This fighter is a twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter, designed for air superiority in aerial combat.
The F-15SG is a combat-proven aircraft with an impressive air-to-air combat record of over 100 kills to 0 losses, making it one of the most capable and formidable aircraft in the world.
The inception of our F-15s into the aura sphere marks a significant milestone in the development of our fighter fleet. It is an enhancement to Singapore's air defense capability and increases the aura sphere's ability to deal decisively with future threats and meet critical operational needs.
The F-15SG is able to carry a larger payload of weapons and fuel, giving it enhanced firepower and longer endurance for counter-air operations.
Infrared search and track system in the F-15 detects and tracks objects that emit infrared radiation, such as jet aircraft and helicopters. Unlike radar, the RRC system does not give off any radiation on its own, making it undetectable. Prior to safety, the aircrew carry out the weapons and systems test to ensure that the aircraft is fully ready. Final arming tackle then carried by the ground crew before the pilot takes him out of his marking gate. staring through the sky. Witness the sheer power of the F-15 as it performs a vertical climb right after takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's event is not just about these incredible flying machines. It is also an opportunity for us to share how the RSAF provides air defense for Singapore's airspace. Apart from the fighters, in